finally home. I put the shoes away. I did like the cute little aesthetically pleasing videos and all that stuff, and for TikTok, for YouTube and TikTok. And then I just had an electrician come. He fixed the dishwasher, y'all. How do I use it? I don't know how to use it. And maybe I'm 27. I have never used a dishwasher before in my, I mean I have, and that was because at the old house when we first got it, me and my older brother would put like regular dish soap. We almost flooded the house, you know, and then we just weren't allowed to use it again. So I need to figure out how to use this. Okay, quick start. There we go. There we go. That's all I need. We're gonna figure this out together. 2.5 hours though, girl. Shit. Just to wash something? Maybe that's why everybody be washing their dishes at night. Maybe that's why. Okay, so we got 2 pots, 2 utensils, a bowl, and a spoon. Does this thing have lights? No, I don't think so. It's like electrical, Barbara. Okay. Where's the instructions? It says prepare and load. How do you load it properly? Do pots go on the bottom? Hey Siri. Do pots go? Hey Siri, where in the dishwasher do pots go? Some on their sides in the bottom rack, I guess. Okay, let me move away. How far does this go? Okay. On their sides, like that. Okay, okay. And then a spoon. And then where did the utensils go? I don't understand. I'm gonna girl! How to load a dishwasher. Okay. I just want to know what goes where. I don't want to watch the video. Put plates, okay, and messy burnt on pots and pans on the bottom rack facing the water source. I don't know where that comes from. Where's the water source? That's a great question. Okay. Cups, mugs, and bowls go face down. Like this. Like that, okay. Okay, and then where do spoons? Right here? And these thingies? I only have 1 spoon. I feel like that's good. I feel like that's good. Okay. Oh, the soap. I got dishwasher soap from Sam's Club just for now to see. It just don't work because everything else is like 18 American dollars for some soap, girl. Be fucking for real. How do you open this though? Okay. Oh, okay. I guess you only need 1. And then where does it go? In here? Oh dear. Oh my God. Like this? That says pre-wash though. Is there instructions on here? No need to pre-wash. Directions. Place pack into dispenser and close. I did that. But what's this? It says, but what goes in here? Oh, the rinse aid. Okay. Girl, we're gonna figure this out. Sensor. Use, oh, actually, 1 hour clean, because girl, ain't nothing in here. And then the Sani rinse. Or do I want to use the heated dry? counting down. I'm doing that. Oh, okay. We did it, y'all.
11 minutes later.
Girl, they couldn't test the, now I gotta take my socks off because they're all wet. Jesus Christ. So since the electrical wasn't working when they installed it yesterday, he wasn't able to test it. So now this place is flooded. Jesus. Because the hose, I don't understand though. If like, now I gotta clean all this. Oh my God. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. We are, one more thing, Thanksgiving dinner is underway. Well, the process of making Thanksgiving dinner is underway. So we got all the sweet potatoes here. I'm about to put that in the oven along with the turkey legs and thighs that have been brining overnight. So that's gonna roast very slowly for about, at 250 for about 3-4 hours. We want it to fall off the bone, okay? And what else? My older brother has the task of shredding all the cheese, because that's my baby brother's job, but he has a basketball tournament, so he can't come. He's not gonna be here for Thanksgiving dinner. So it hit me when I was like, wait a minute. Hold on. He's not gonna be here. Which one do I want to use? I'll save. How much do we have? I think that's enough. I think so. I think that's enough, y'all. Right? What do I need brown sugar for? The sweet potatoes and then the cornbread. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Look, I'm even run out. What is that? What is that? I don't know if I like that. Okay, so let's put some butter in the pot. That's enough, right? And then I need cinnamon and nutmeg. I have molasses, but I don't like how it tastes. I am not a fan of how that tastes, so we're gonna add some cinnamon, just that much, and then I need a spoon to scoop out the brown sugar. It's gonna take about a half cup, and then we're gonna take like clearly a lot more than the half cup. Okay, put that back there for a second. The nutmeg, just a little bit, because nutmeg is very potent, very. And a tiny bit of vanilla. That's it. That's all I do. I don't do, what else do these people put in their sweet potatoes? Like marshmallows and stuff? I don't do that. That's crazy. Wait, I might. Is that gonna be enough? Maybe I should put the sweet potatoes in a larger pan, because stirring it after is gonna be annoying. so I'm gonna need it. I think, yeah, we'll put these on the bottom. Okay, and now let's move on to the turkey. So I'm gonna rinse the brine off of the turkey stuff, and then I'll put it in here, and then y'all will see how I do the rub. Everything I got for this recipe is from TikTok. I don't know if I still have the link, but I think I have it linked in my the most recent Christmas cook with me. Yeah, I think so. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how everything looks. I'm gonna pop it in the oven for 3 hours. Yep, so everything's rubbed in, and then this is how everything looks. Let's put some foil. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Alright, and I can rest for a bit because there's nothing else to do, is there? Mac and cheese. That's going. Very small menu. I don't have time. Because the only person who eats all the food is not here. I'm not about to stress myself out. Hello. I changed because, girl, it was hot. I got hot so quickly. So I'm wearing like my matching set. But I'm gonna show y'all the progress of everything so far. The water and the greens have went down tremendously. I think it's been like about 2 hours since I spoke to you, I think. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna show y'all the green. The water has reduced a lot. I'm just gonna continue letting it reduce. And then hopefully like in another hour and a half, it'll be the perfect amount of water. I don't want too much water. I increased the temperature from 250 to 325. Yeah. So that's how it's looking so far. I'm gonna give it about maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours again, and then I will pour the barbecue sauce all over it, and then that will roast for another half hour. These sweet potatoes are looking okay. I think I can combine it now. Yeah, there we go. Oopsie. I don't want to use that. Okay, so the dirty rice is done. It's right here. So that's settled. I still have to make the mac and cheese and then the cornbread. So that'll be done after those two are done. Okay, I'll be back. Also, I forgot to tell y'all, the bed frame that I ordered from Amazon came in, but I changed my mind and said I didn't want anymore, but they delivered it when I wasn't home. So I contacted the seller on Amazon because I canceled the order before they shipped it, but they shipped it anyways. I don't know why they did that. And then I contacted them asking for like a return label to ship it back, and then they're like they don't want it anymore. I could consider donating it. So girl, I guess I got a new bed for free. What am I gonna, I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm not leaving the house tomorrow because tomorrow's Black Friday and I don't need that kind of stress. I do have to pick up some packages, but we will do that either Saturday or Sunday. I'm not in a rush. Saturday or Sunday. And then tomorrow we're gonna go pick up my car because it's ready. And I think that's it. That's it. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna burn this candle. I put the juniper berry sage one away. I've never burned a wooden wick candle, so we're gonna see. Do I have to cut it? How does that work? Okay, so it's burning. Is the flame too high? Huh. Oh, I hear the crackling. Looks like that. I wanted to burn the cigar lounge, but I don't think that's like would match with like cooking and stuff. Like maybe like in the evening time. I'm not gonna burn it today obviously because I'm just gonna like fumigate the entire house. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone.
I got a confession. I don't think I want you anymore. There's no room for questions. I saw panties on the bathroom floor. Been putting up with this for far too long. You ain't gotta change, boy. What's the point in stringing me along? We're done for real. I'm a princess bitch in a cardboard box. Changing my number, I'm changing my life. When you think it in, know your heart won't stop. You make me cry, but boy, I'm mine. I'm a princess bitch in a cardboard box. Changing my number, I'm changing my life. Never let your mama, so I guess she's got. You make me cry, but boy, I'm not stressing. Do you hear a stutter in my words? I see it as a blessing. Come take your shit, 'cause you can go stay at her side. Oh, that she was worth my wasted time. But can she do it like I do? You need someone to put you back in line. So you gon' see what I'll do. I'm a piece of shit in a cardboard box. Changing my number, I'm changing my life. When you can't get in, know your heart won't stop. You make me cry, but boy, I'm mine. I'm a piece of shit in a cardboard box. Changing my number, I'm changing my life. Never let your mama, so I guess she's got. You make me cry, but boy, I'm mine. Yeah. So I'ma put your jeans next to the dreams that you sold me. Believe Mama is a bee and she gon' see. So I'ma put your gold chains down the drain and get rolling. Might just drop a text to your homie. I'm a piece of shit and I cardboard box. Changing my number, I'm changing my life. You ain't getting it, know your heart won't stop. You make me lie, but boy, I'm mine. I'm a piece of shit and I cardboard box. Changing my number, I'm changing my life. Your mama, so I guess she's got. You make me cry, but boy, I'm mine.
food is done. I'm done cooking. Small feast. It's 3:49, so we're about to eat. I don't know when this dishwasher person is coming, but I will see y'all tomorrow.